Are you looking to learn the accordion from scratch or take your existing skills to the next level? Hello, my name is Nicola and I'm here to guide you every step of the way, whether you're just starting out or want to elevate your playing to new heights. This isn't boring pre-recorded video course. I'm here with you. My lessons are live, personal and tailored to your progress. And the best part, you can learn from the comfort of your home through my online lessons, whenever and wherever it suits your schedule. I know what you might be thinking. I'm too old to learn. I don't have the time. I'm not musically gifted. But here's what I tell all my students. It's never too late. Whether you are 7, 17 or 70, piano is for everyone. You don't need hours of practice each day. With just a few minutes of focused, guided practice, you'll start seeing results. And talent, it's not magic, it's about learning the right way. Let me show you how. Don't wait for someday. Your musical journey starts the moment you take the first step. Click the link below to book your first lesson and begin creating music you'll be proud of. See you soon.